First of all, the system, every system has a common thing. That is the prior most important point. Because systems not allow you and allow you to see the extent of our prosperity and happiest moments and joyful moments, which are not necessary. Always. Because these are not a routine. These won't help you in real life. Whenever you want to see the world, take a permission and see the extent of the flowering seasons. These are very normal things. How we are starting our daily activities. The happiest, joyful moments, cherishable, memorable moments, and here and there we are now wanting this type of moments. By the grace, we celebrating all moments. We know prayer internally and externally the extent of happiness which is arranged by the government in the system to the disciple. We need not to search happiness. It is everywhere. You just concentrate on that moment. When you overwhelming with that happiest moment, it is unforgettable. It is not habituated. It is not conditioned one. Not only you and me and all of us know that the happiness, the fragrance of happiness will spread. The grace of our system always prevails.